Atlanta, oh, but the heart is in Havana. There's something about his manner. Go Hannah.
Él vino a buscarme, ahí lo supe. Me dijo son tantas las que ya tuve,
pero le falta.
No puedo soltarte, no seas tan cruel.
Oh no.
Mi papá me dice que malo es él.
No puedo más.
I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. It got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na.
Off of Varada's in Havana. He took her back to East Atlanta. Over the Varada's in Havana. There's something about his manner. Say one, pick up the phone. You know she's only calling cause she's drunk and alone. Two, don't let her in, you'll have to kick her out again. Three, don't be its friend cause you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him then you ain't getting over. No, you ain't getting over him.
Le voy a meter un palancazo, como se vengan abajo al público.
Havana, Nana. Half of her heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, Nana.
Ha estat xulo el vídeo, veritat? Doncs subscriviu-vos a este canal oficial de Family Duo en YouTube per veure com este vídeo molts més.